Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your HP docking station is connected to your Mac but nothing seems to work properly, it can be very frustrating, especially when your monitor, USB devices, or charging suddenly stop responding. Sometimes the docking station may light up, but the Mac does not recognize it at all. In other cases, only certain accessories work while others stay disconnected. This issue often happens because of compatibility settings, cable problems, power interruptions, or connection errors between the dock and the Mac. Since Mac devices sometimes require proper permissions or supported connections for external accessories, even a small setup issue can stop the HP docking station from working correctly. The good part is that you can usually solve this problem with a few simple checks before assuming the docking station is faulty. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an HP docking station not working with a Mac. Try these. Step 1. Check the power connection of the HP docking station and make sure the HP docking station is turned on properly. Step 2. Reconnect the HP docking station cable to the Mac and ensure the HP docking station connection is secure. Step 3. Disconnect all accessories from the HP docking station and reconnect the HP docking station devices one by one. Step 4. Open display and accessory settings on the Mac to see if the HP docking station is detected. Step 5. Restart the Mac while keeping the HP docking station connected to refresh the HP docking station connection. Step 6. Test the HP docking station again and confirm the HP docking station works normally with the Mac.